Were you done talking to your lions? Yeah. Yeah. Were they being silly just like you? Yeah. I know. You were talking yeah. You were talking a lot, weren't you? Yeah. You were holding a long conversation with them, weren't you? Yes, you were. Yes, you were. You're such a silly baby. You're always smiling, aren't you? Yeah. You're all giggly now, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You talk so much, don't you? Huh? Yeah. I know. I know. Yeah. But you're so silly, aren't you? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Was that right? Huh? What else happened? What else happened? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah? Uh-huh. Oh, really? Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah. Now tell me, Mommy, what else happened? What else happened today? Did you sleep a whole lot today? Yeah. You slept a lot today, didn't you? That's why you had so much energy. Is that right? Yeah. Uh-huh. You're such a silly... Oh, go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, you silly baby. You're chewing on your fingers now? Yeah. Are they delicious? You're done talking now. Goodbye.